What up, good people? It's Javon. Before we start, I would like to give a shout out to every one of you for helping me reach 100 subscribers. Welcome to the Artist Speed family. But let's get into this video. Today we're reviewing the 2018 Honda Fit. Today we're reviewing the 2018 Honda Fit. Right here is a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder pushing out 130 for the MPG Highway 40 City 33. Here's the sound of it. Right here is a 16-inch aluminum glossy black finish. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. On the left you have your digital clock with your outside temp. On the right you have your gas and MPG gauge. In the middle you have a digital analog display. On the left side of the steering wheel you have an additional cup holder. The buttons over here have your forward collision warning with traction control alongside lane assist, also gas release. On the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with window control. On this particular model you have a push button start. Right here is a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now we're making our way down to the climate control. This have a air filtration system that keeps the cabin clean. Beneath the climate control you have a USB and 12-volt outlet. Now we done made our way to the cup holder area. Right here you have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model have a 6-speed manual transmission. Now we're making our way up to your map light and moonroof control. We done made our way to the back of the vehicle. This part is very roomy. For extra space, just fold up the magic seat. Now you're making our way to the cargo area. This part is very spacious. Like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing y'all next video.